Hi guys, I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at two new goggle foams for your DJI goggles. I recently, or not so recently, made a video about the URUAV upgrade kit as a part of your essential upgrade for your DJI goggles, because the stock goggle foam is really not made for everyone's face, and I have massive light leakage, so I barely couldn't fly. So I opted for this foam and the strap, but that's not the best solution. Even though it's really comfortable and solves almost all of the light leakage, the strap is really not good. I mean, it's not stretchy, it's really hard, and I don't like it. So I have this one, and this goggle foam had really thick material here in the nose area, and it couldn't sit on my nose, so it stopped me from breathing through my nose. So I had to cut the piece here to free up the space for my nose, and also the fabric around the foam broke. So yeah, it's not the best option. So yeah, let's remove that and we will see other two options. This is the first option. This is a URV faceplate foam set Velcro. So you have two new Velcros that go inside the nose area. You have this portion right here that you really don't need. You can save it up and use it for whatever you like, and you are left with this part right here. So they conveniently made the hole here. When you place it inside your goggles, the nose area will be free, but I can already tell you that when it's like so, I can mount it so you can see it better, like so. It sits on your nose here, but the good thing about this is that you can cut it up like you wish, or you need to make it fit your face perfectly. So yeah, let's go and do that. This is the first time I'm trying this on, and yeah, it's pinching my nose, but I actually think I will just cut the bottom part of the foam, but the goggles sit really nicely on my face, and I don't have any light leakage around the foam. So yeah, this should be a really good option. So yeah, let's go and cut this piece right here to free up the space for my nose. So yeah, I cut out this piece right here, so it will be easier for my nose to fit inside. I'm actually not sure what's the right orientation for the foam. There is this slightly Velcro-y. No, this is the part that goes on your face. That's really nice, but this is the Velcro part. So yeah. So yeah, this is the where your nose fits, I actually don't find it uncomfortable to this foam pinching my nose, because it's really soft and not actually pinching the nose. So yeah, it's really comfortable and not too tight on my nose. Yeah, it's a solid option. It's soft, that doesn't have any light leakage around the foam. So basically, yeah, it passes. I would recommend this. Is the iFlight's foam, and I can already tell it's much more. Wow, this is really nice foam. It's rounded. It has some shape. It doesn't have that piece for the nose that you can cut, but you have this piece right here that you will place inside your goggles. So let's go and try on this. Here it is. I can already see it fits the goggles. The shape of the foam is actually really following the structure of the goggles, and it's really nice and quality looking. Also, this piece here that prevents the light leakage around your nose, it's also glued in place. And let's try them on and see how they fit. Interesting. This foam is really much harder than the previous one, even though even it looks like more quality. I have major light leakage around my nose, and I don't think I can glue this nose piece any better than I did. But for at least my face, my cheeks are actually, I don't know, maybe if over time the foams get a bit softer, but yeah, it's not that bad. But first impression is that they're really thick here on the cheeks, and the whole goggles, I don't think they fit very well. I need to kind of squish them on my face to make them fit better, and you have really noticeable light leakage around your nose. So yes, I need to take them for a spin and see over time if the foams get this. This is really inexpensive. I will leave the link in the video description. It's really a few bucks. This one, and this is noticeably expensive, more expensive. But this material is more like neoprene, and this is the basic foam with some kind of material that is more soft on top of it. So with the sweating of your face, I will recommend these ones, because they are more quality material used, but they're really thick here on the cheeks, and they kind of pinch me on the, or not pinch, but they sit really hard on my cheeks. So these are more comfortable for sure, but these are better looking quality material, and they just fit the goggles better. So yeah, for the cheap solution, go with this one. For the more quality and premium look and feel, go with the iFlight ones. So yeah, hope I could help you with the decision, but even if you use either one of these, it's better than the stock foam, and better than the one that I had before. So yeah, this is really an upgrade for me. Thank you for watching.